Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's a Wednesday August the 18th 2021, and on Wednesday we have 3 regular Sudokus, a binary one, a Sudoku medium one, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So 3 regular Sudokus we have here, but in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 6, and we have sad news also, but first let me show you the 6 extra Sudokus. First Sudoku is in this additional a letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a tectonic puzzle with 1 star. 6 extra Sudokus, but we have also sad news. Look, in this newspaper, the godfather of the Sudoku just passed away, 69 years old. Maki Kaji, the godfather of Sudoku, rest in peace. Yes, so today we will remember him, honor him with the Sudokus. Maki Kaji, 1951 to 2021. 69 years old. Yes, Sudokus. He invented the Sudoku. So sad news. Anyway, we honor him with the 3 regular Sudokus, the binary Sudoku Medium, and the killer Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started with the binary Sudoku. And this one will be number 3258. Alright, 3258. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 4 O's. The 5th one should be in one of those 3 boxes, because otherwise we have 3 ones in a row in a column or in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So the other empty boxes should be a 1. So this should be a 1, here also, here also. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s, alright. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and this is number 5. Alright. Then between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s in the second row. If I place a number 5 here, then we still have 4 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. If I place the 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row, so this cannot be an O, 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now I can place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 2 missing numbers now. 2 digits. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 7 minutes without any comparing. Yes, I like this one. Very simple to use, very easy to solve. Yeah, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.